Hello traders, the title of this video is CCI trader points out a tricky CCI indicator trading mistake to avoid. Let's get started. We have a monthly chart of JRJR. This is an American stock that belongs to the consumer cyclical sector, specialty retail. All right, and we want to talk about a tricky CCI indicator trading mistakes to avoid. All right, so do you use the commodity channel index indicator that we call the CCI? All right, so what are the CCI trading mistake that you have encountered? So I would like to know in the comment section if you know a specific CCI trading mistakes that you want us to talk about. Put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer or to address that specific CCI trading mistake that you have encountered. All right, but today the CCI trading mistakes that we want to talk about is relating to the volatility. All right, so sometimes you will notice that the price will be very, very volatile, which means it will go down very fast and it will also go up very fast. So the volatility is quite high. Now, traders also use what we call the VIX, but I don't want to talk about the VIX today, VIX, but if you are looking at the chart and you want to know whether there was a volatility or not, all you need to do is to check the size of the candlestick bar. See here? Long candlestick bar. You see here this one also? Long candlestick bar. It went up all the way here and quickly come down. It's a very volatile candlestick bar. Look at this one. Long, very long, volatile. And this is telling me that during that period, this stock JRJR, what a funny name. All right, now it's a nice name. All right, so was quite volatile. This is between 2014 and 2015. All right, so what that got to do with the commodity channel index period 14 on my chart? Now the volatility very often will distort technical indicators. Now, normally, I should be charging you for saying this, all right? But when technical traders are using technical indicator or momentum oscillator like the CCI indicator, they are not aware of the distortion that usually takes place when we have high volatility, in the financial market. So, the CCI indicator period 14 may become oversold after a volatile period, and people still rely on that oversold. It's a CCI trading mistake. Just as I said to you before, it's a market stable data. While you are building a trading system, a trading strategy, you have to work with market stable data. So what I'm highlighting here is that during a volatile price action, technical indicators are very often distorted. One should not rely on the warning given by those technical indicators, such as the RSI, the CCI, the stochastic, the MACD. One should discount all those trading signals that followed the volatile price action. All right, that's it. That's it. So here you can see that the price went so far, and the CCI, you see, it pushed the CCI. You see just one line here. You see here, this is just one line down, pure down. This is due to this. It's like you drop a heavy weight onto something that is very light, cheering down. So this is like a cheering the CCI period 14 down. And again here you can see those are volatile can cheer them down. You want to stay away from any signal. Sometimes they are using, for instance, stochastic, MACD, RSI, and so on, and they may see divergence. They may see all sort of trading signal that are taking place that has nothing to do with the real valid trading signal. So this is a big warning, a shout out. Be aware, my friend. All right, have I got your attention? All right, be aware that high volatility will distort technical indicator. This is one example here for the CCI trader. So the CCI period 14 became oversold well below the level of minus 100. And it's still here, you see the price just consolidating here for ages, all right? Very, okay, tricky situation for technical traders. And sometimes trader will, you can see that after it did, so in fact here, look carefully, my friend. At the time when the CCI pierced through that oversold level, we were here. Okay. Pay attention to the red vertical line. We were here. But look, the price continued to go down, We're on a monthly chart. Right? And it's just dropping it. And now it's still here. See, going down now, you see? Here it is. This is due to the distortion of the CCI period 14. So if you are using any CCI trading system, any CCI trading strategy, be aware of this type of distortion that usually occur when we have a high volatility. Another important point that I have touched it one time before is that high volatility leads to low volatility. So you're not going to catch a huge price action after a high volatility. It's going to be choppy because it's a low volatility. This is the time when the smart money will go and check the fundamentals, the financial, and if there is a reason to buy, they will prefer to buy during a low volatility period. So now, as we see here, there was a trend before for this stock, then it was this correction, and now it's consolidating. One must pay attention to the S&P 500 and then check the fundamental relating to this stock. All right. So just a very important point. High volatility leads to low volatility. So there's not much going to happen after the high volatility. It's the time for accumulation. All right. This price will slow down for a while. And so the best approach is to, when you see that, you just wait. So you acknowledge there was a distortion, wait for the dust to settle. All right. So now, if, for instance, this stock breaks above that consolidation, you see now the dust, if it breaks above it, retest it and find a support, we will say that it looks to me that the dust has settled. Then we will consider that warning that the CCI had told us oversold from this point instead of here. Though among the monthly charts, as traders said to me, George, there was a fair comment that, George, you are using a monthly chart, we are day traders, but I told you that I will answer that question at a 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, all right? But what we are talking about here, though I'm using a monthly chart, you will see sometimes even on the hourly time frame, when we have major economy news, price drop down, boom, down, and you see most of the technical indicators are distorted. Especially on Friday, sometimes you may see that. And then Monday, people look at their technical indicator and they start trading it. Do not trade them. Why? Because high volatility will distort most technical indicators, including the commodity channel index indicator, the CCI indicator. This is the end of this tutorial about the CCI trader. Points out it's quite tricky, this one. Okay, you can see it's tricky because everything looks normal, but it's not normal, okay? A tricky CCI indicator trading mistake to avoid. If you have any question or suggestion, my friend, put in the comment section. And in due course, all right, I will be recording another video to address your question or suggestion. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about CCI trader points out a tricky CCI indicator trading mistake to avoid. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.